can you pick the best keywords for a journal article? Along with your title and abstract, these keywords will make it possible for people to find your article when searching an academic database. I've got 5 top tips for picking the best keywords for your journal article. Before anything else, check whether the publisher has any specific guidelines on how to select keywords. For example, how many keywords to select. You can normally find these guidelines on the publisher's website as part of the author instructions. If you can't find anything online though, you can always email the editor of the journal. Focus on the main topic of your research. Use the main topic of your paper to guide your keyword selection. For instance, if your paper is a broad review of how nanotechnology is used in medical settings, your paper will likely touch on how nanotechnology can be used to treat or diagnose a number of different conditions. However, your keywords for an article like this should focus on terms such as nanomedicine or nanopharmaceuticals, which are closely related to the main topic. Even if you mention them briefly in your paper, you don't want to include terms such as diabetes or cancer, because these terms aren't directly related to the main topic of your paper, even if they're included in the body of the work. Don't duplicate words from your title. The title of your paper is so important partly because it will register in search engines. And if someone searches for a word that's in your paper's title, it should appear in their search results. So you should avoid replicating any terminology that's already in your paper's title. After all, you can only pick a few keywords for your article. The goal is to have as many related terms as possible that will help somebody find your article when searching. Be specific and use key phrases. Your keywords need to be specific. Because of this, it can be useful to use key phrases. Single word terms can be too broad, so using a 2 or 3 word key phrase can help ensure that your article only shows up in accurate search results. This increases the value it offers to whoever finds your article. So, to use our example of an article about how nanotechnology is used in different medical settings, you could use a specific key phrase such as diabetes nanotechnology treatment. This would improve the accuracy of the results for any search in which your article appears. Lastly, test your keywords. To do this, enter your keywords into a relevant journal database. If they bring up articles on a similar topic to your article, you've selected great keywords. If not, you need to go back and refine the keywords you've selected. If you're struggling to come up with keywords that work, look for articles similar to your own and see which keywords they have chosen to use. Now you can make sure your journal article has the best keywords. If you have any specific questions, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more weekly guidance on research and academic work. Your writing, proof.